Slide 1. Notification Overview. Welcome to the Rajasthan Public Service Commission recruitment notification for the year 2025. This is advertisement number 07, 2025-26 for the post of Senior Teacher, Grade -2. Slide 2. Total vacancies. In this recruitment drive, a total of 6,499 vacancies have been announced. The subject-wise breakup is as follows. Hindi, 1,052. English, 1,305. Sanskrit, 940. Mathematics, 1,385. Science, 1,355. Social Science, 401. Urdu, 48. Punjabi, 11. Sindhi, 2. And Gujarati, 1 post. Slide 3. Application fee. The application fee for general, backward class, and economically backward class candidates in the creamy layer category is 600 rupees. For non-creamy layer BC, EBC, and economically weaker section candidates, the fee is 400 rupees. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and persons with disability candidates also have to pay 400 rupees. In case of error correction, an additional charge of 500 rupees will be applicable. The payment mode is strictly online. Slide 4. Important dates. The notification was released on the 17th of July 2025. The online application process begins on the 19th of August 2025. The last date to apply online is the 17th of September 2025. Candidates are advised to complete their applications well before the deadline to avoid last-minute issues. Slide 5. Age limit. The minimum age limit to apply is 18 years. The maximum age limit is 40 years as on 1st January 2026. Age relaxation will be applicable as per government rules. Slide 6. Qualification. Candidates must hold a graduate degree or an equivalent examination recognized by the University Grants Commission, along with a degree or diploma in education recognized by the National Council of Teacher Education or the government. For language subjects such as Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, and Gujarati, the concerned subject must be taken as an optional subject. For science subjects, candidates must have at least 2 optional subjects from physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, microbiology, biotechnology, or biochemistry. For social science subjects, at least 2 optional subjects from history, geography, economics, political science, sociology, public administration, or philosophy are required. Additionally, working knowledge of Hindi written in Devanagari script and awareness of Rajasthani culture is mandatory.